Noon or good morning, depending on where you are in the world. I'm Craig Smith, and I'm here with Svetlana Burzyantseva from IKEA.
That's much better this time.
That's getting better, yeah. From IKEA Centers, Russia. Svetlana, thank you for joining us today. We're here at the, for those of you that don't know, we're here at the ICSC Recon Fair. There's over 30,000 people at the fair, probably 20,000 retailers. I don't know, it seems like there's a lot. So, Svetlana, first of all, tell us a little bit about IKEA Centers Russia.
So, we are a part of IKEA global company, and we are representing the branch which is IKEA Centers. We have 43 centers all over the world, in China, in Russia, and in European countries. And we are running successfully the shopping centers on the Russian market already for the 15 years. And we are in 11 cities with 14 shopping centers in Russia. So we are here, again, representing IKEA Centers company.
Right, great. We just did an interview 2 weeks ago in Dubai.
Yes.
Thank you for, it's great to see you now in Las Vegas. And so here in Las Vegas, you have a really nice stand. I know our let's say, viewers can't see the whole thing, but it looks like about 100 square meters, very tall, very beautiful. What is your plans for the fair? What do you want to? Why is IKEA Centers Russia here?
We believe that since we are the biggest real estate developer of commercial real estate on the Russian market, this is one of our mission. To promote the brand and to promote the Russian market. So we are here because you mentioned that here are a lot of retailers, and US retailers specifically, and we are hunting for the new brands to introduce them on the Russian market. That's why we are third year, we are representing Russia and our global company also to be here and to say it out loud that Russia is very potential and good market for the US retailers.
Right. I see you have a few of your team from Europe here this year as well. Yep.
Yes, our colleagues from Europe as well here, and it demonstrates that we are the part of the big global company.
Now, what type of retailers do you think would be the most successful in your shopping centers?
We already have a lot of good examples, and specifically those retailers who came to the Russian market together with us. They have a successful stories, and I can mention Gap, for example, who entered first store with us in 2008, and now they are widely expanded in Russia. We have Nike, we have Calvin Klein, we have Reebok, we have Crocs, many others, and I can assure you that Russian customers, they are really hungry for the new brands, and they are ordering online a lot of goods from US as well. So there are a lot of expected brands, specifically from US, on the Russian market, and we have seen the very successful introduction of Victoria's Secret full format more than 1 year ago. Now Under Armour announced that they are coming to the Russian market, there is a big brand awareness of a lot of American brands.
And how many, one question I imagine you get, or I get all the time, is how many, but for your operation, how many stores, let's say, can a retailer have almost immediately with your network?
Since we are the biggest commercial real estate developer on the Russian market, we are running successfully 14 shopping centers. They are in 11 cities where the population is above 1 million. So we can introduce the widest opportunities for expansion. It's immediately like signing with us. With one landlord, you can establish in 14 locations.
14, wow.
14,
okay.
3 in Moscow, 2 in St. Petersburg, and in another 9 cities.
Okay, great. Well, thank you very much for your time, and we'll see you around at the fair and probably at some of the interesting events over the next couple of days here in Las Vegas.
This time, we believe it will be the most successful time we are here. We have twice more meetings already booked than last year, and many more are coming because I see the interest of the people. They are really looking to the booth and very excited about what we show.
Yeah, it already looks like you have about twice the number of people here at the stand than you did last year.
That's for sure, and we believe this is a good success, and we still need to continue to introduce IKEA Centers on the US market.
Great, all right.
Thank you, Craig.
Very nice to see you again, and
yes.
I don't know where we're going to run into each other next, maybe Hawaii or something, yeah?
I don't know.
Or Kazan or somewhere
God
nice.
knows,
yeah?
but we will be there.
That's great. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you want to find out more about IKEA Centers Russia, I've put the website on the information there, and we'll be doing some more interviews over the next couple of days, and some on our YouTube channel as well. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is EuropaProperty.com TV, and we'll be catching up with you throughout the whole fair. So, and maybe we can announce some deals on Wednesday. Yeah.
Hopefully, yes.
All right.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Yeah.